All right guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to do the lateral high knees, a little bit more advanced than the regular straightforward high knees, but this is a good one to work on your lateral movement. All right, so for this one, what you want to do is make sure you're leading with your foot that you're going to that side. So if I'm going with my right foot, again, I'm going to lead, or going to the right side, I'm going to lead with the right foot, cross over, and then if I'm coming back to the left, lead with the left foot. Again, trying to get to that 90 degrees just like the other drill. So driving up, drive through the hips, make sure you're keeping everything up there. Boom, and go a little bit faster as you get better at it. I gotta say, as somebody who's pretty native to Florida, it is still hot. It's hot. I don't know why it's this hot in March. I'm sweating profusely. It's awesome.